you'll see on the recipe that it says Chifonade Basil. I'm gonna go ahead and show you actually how to do that. This is a great skill to have to garnish any dish, whether it's chicken or fish or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do that for you. So you can see that our mint leaves are piled just one on top of the other, okay? They're layered like that. What you're gonna do next is start rolling, okay? So just roll it up so it looks like that. Then take your knife and then just chop up, okay, small strips. Now you want your knife to be just by your knuckles, okay? So it looks like that. And this way you're not gonna cut yourself and you can keep going, okay? Like that. And then you have your little strips to garnish whatever you want with.